WOODEXPERT is a professional CAD software that enables quick and efficient furniture design and delivers complete set of information for a production site. Using this cabinet model as an example, I'm gonna demonstrate its design process in real time, showing functionalities that are available in WOODEXPERT. As a first step, I am opening the assembly template in SOLIDWORKS, and then from the WOODEXPERT's menu on the right, I click the button Create Project. After filling in all the necessary information, I click Save. From this moment, the necessary data are stored in a coexisting SQL database. Now, I can move on to the definition of my cabinet's body. For this purpose, I'm using WOODEXPERT's library. I insert the body into the assembly, I select configuration and mate it with the desired planes. Then, I input proper dimensions. Throughout this process, I have access to the Opengl Preview, which shows the design geometry and updates it at every setting change. The Parameters tab contains thickness definition of each cabinet's board. The project tree in WOODEXPERT is structured by the types of the furniture parts. It helps me to keep everything in an exact order. Now, I'm inserting the back panel insert. Thanks to the option Find Walls, WOODEXPERT automatically selects all the necessary faces of the cabinet's body. I will also add 2 vertical partitions that will divide the body in 3 sections. I will use here Find Walls again to speed up the process. Now, I set the parameters. Another type of partition that I can define in WOODEXPERT is adjustable shelf. I insert it and define all necessary parameters. It already contains all required measuring for fittings. As it is used in my design several times at regular distances, I will use linear pattern, one of SOLIDWORKS tools. Now, I will insert all remaining shelves at specified distances and set all required parameters. All this time, working in WOODEXPERT, I can freely change all the parameters, position of shelves, drawers, etc. The library itself consists of smart components that can automatically adapt to the design change of a cabinet body. Now the time for drawers. I will insert them together with the guides and fasteners. There's a few of them in my project. I will use linear pattern again. While inserting drawers front, I will use also auxiliary planes. My project involves melt cuts on the front doors of my cabinet. I will add them quickly using SOLIDWORKS Sketch with extrude bus base operation and the linear pattern. As WOODEXPERT is natively set inside SOLIDWORKS environment, it can benefit from its multiple tools and operations. My cabinet already contains all intended body parts. Now, I will insert manifix joints. In case of my design, these are dowels and manifix joints. When inserting them into the model, I can pick their automatic rotation in the direction of the board's vertical or horizontal position. These are parts of changeable dimensions. This means their quantity and placement depends from the definition set by the WOODEXPERT user in a parameter section of each operation. I define drawers handle. To avoid manual plane selection, I can use dedicated option find inner walls. Another accessory that needs to be inserted are the cabinet's feet, which I select from the library. I can go to the definition of material in the Legend tab of WOODEXPERT. This legend will be saved in our database. Thus, it may be reused in another projects of other users. Materials are categorized by its format and contain all necessary information that will be listed in the bills of materials and inserted to the drawings. When the materials are defined, I can go to the model and assign them to each body. In WOODEXPERT, this process is divided into two separate operations: assign core material and assign cover material. This approach results in a fast and automatic definition of material for each part. There's no chance to omit any part. This helps to avoid costly production mistakes. When I select Add Tooling operation, software will make all the matching and propagates it into the furniture parts. Next step is to prepare 2D drawings. In WOODEXPERT, I can do it with a single mouse click. Operation Make Drawings is available in its basic version. The process that generates 2D documentation automatically locates the model elements along the longest edge and picks the face with the most machined operations at the main view. Parts are automatically dimensioned according to a predefined schema. Additional information is also added to the drawing's views. These are material information or grain direction. We can change the drawing sheet, adjust views, the location, or scale according to our needs. Drawings can be saved in many different file formats. Another important step is to generate bills of material. BOM Generator, which is bills of materials, is a third module available in a basic license. Let us discuss the Bom Manager more deeply. Filter option allows us to search for a specific project. Next to it is the list of all projects and their color variations. Next label shows us the available variations and versions of the selected bill of materials. I can delete it or approve for production. This helps to keep the control and order over the BOMs. Bill of material contains precise information like list of elements used in a design, fittings, materials used, nominal dimensions of the design elements, net and gross dimensions, number of instances, cover material information. Using the editable columns, I can adjust the desired look and data inside each cell. The fields in the columns allow me to input customized data. I can also create price estimations using the built-in search engine that can be integrated with the resource list from ERP system. Bom Manager allows me to generate reports that are embedded in a web browser. They might be adjusted to the needs of our customer and may contain barcodes or QR codes. In the Packages tab, I can generate packaging documentation which may contain information on the type of package, the weight, quantity, and sizes. I can create any number of packages, assign specific furniture parts, choose many different types of separators, add any notes or generate documentation and store it in a database. We invite you to visit our blog and to test our WOODEXPERT for 30 days free of charge.